Another day, another math class. Yep, another stupid math class. Hope it goes by fast. Pencils out, class. Alrighty. Pencils? Yep. Why do I even try? When can I copy? Hey, no! Goody goody. But can she say no to this? We'll see. Oh, Megan. Wanna make some extra cash? Yeah, Megan. Do you? Hi there. Uh-oh. Ugh. I see everything in this classroom. Detention! Going. But I didn't do anything. Open your books, class. Aw, my little kitty princess. Isn't she cute? Look. Do I hear talking? Hey, read your pages. Here. Thanks. Work it is. Look at that little face. It's like she's talking to me. Wait. Home. Oh, I miss her so much. Just boop her little nose. Not now. Come on, do it. One boop. The teacher. You two better be reading. Huh? Whatever. Just give me that. She's watching. No! Oops. Hey! Look what you've done! Don't cry. Wait a second. I have an idea. See this plastic? With heat, it can bend. Perfect. My own 3D kitty face. Pretty cute, right? Megan will love it. Well? Is that for me? I love it! For work and for pets. My little kitty bestie. Enjoy. What? Okay, class. Can you write this poem? Uh-huh. I'm so good at writing words. And they rhyme. Ugh, boring. Ew. Oops. Thanks, Luna. Sorry. I don't want to write anymore. So, I won't. Aim. Ooh. Fire! I'm pretty good at that. Teacher! What? It's Luna! I'm just working, see? Focus, Megan. Yeah, focus, Megan. I'm very busy here. Look at that! I've got it! I can focus all right, and I can help Luna do it too. Well, a little bit of Joy can, but she needs some serious color. Ooh, it's really coming together. Almost. And done. Well, now it is. Hi there! Here you go. Whoa! This is awesome! I can write in this little box. Thank you. This is pretty fun. Officially not bored anymore. And more focused than ever. Huh? Oh, boy. Luna? All done! Me too! What a rush! Today, I've got the goods! So not sharing. Woohoo! Oops! Hey! Stop! One left? Thanks! You're awesome! One more to the collection! Yay! Isn't it stupendous? Wow, so cool! Candy whenever you want it? But how did you do it? Well, if you must know, I'll tell ya. It was a rainy day in spring, so I had plenty of time inside to get my craft on. See? Plus I had tons of cardboard lying around. And since I love candy, I thought, why not make a gumball machine? Be sure to pay attention to all the little moving parts. They all play a part. It's all about trusting the process. Boop! And the strength of good rubber bands. Good luck, guys! Hang on tight. Hot glue to the rescue. See? They stick right in. Just secure the bands. And it works like a little machine. We're almost there now. Pretty neat, huh? The inside is officially done. Now it's off to Candy City, baby. It's about making the outside pretty. Nobody wants to see what's going on underneath. Oink, oink! Pigs are my fave! So cute! Look at me! Ta-da! Now just fill her up. And that's how it's done. Wow! You're a candy genius! Shall we? I'm so ready for this! Woohoo! I did it! Pens, reading materials, and pencils. Let the learning begin. Or not. Am I early? Can teachers be late? Ugh. Wait. Aha! Oops. Let me just rest my eyes for 1 minute. Oh! Hi, Luna! Let's have some fun! What the… Who are you? Hello? Ah! Well, that didn't work. Hey, Miles!
Ready!
Howdy, class! Today is all about friendship! Aww! See this friendship bracelet? It's from my bestie! Do you have one?
I sure do.
I don't. Can I?
You want mine? Okay. Here you go.
Thanks, it's so pretty.
Yep. Can I have it back?
No, it was a gift.
What? No, it wasn't.
Miles, let go! Oh no! Don't fight! Oh, yikes. Look what you did!
My bracelet!
Oh boy. That wasn't very friendly, guys. It sure wasn't. Now wait. We can turn this around. Ready? There. Just one more thing. Perfect. Let's get to work. Pierce the ball through the middle. There. It's like a bead. I have more too. It's like a giant bracelet. And for this piece, do the exact same thing. We can even add letters to them. See? Friend. What do you think? This is awesome!
I'm back. What's that?
The biggest friendship bracelet.
Oh, for me? I can't believe it! Thank you!
Friends forever! Good, we're on time. Whoa. Woohoo! Don't you just love exam day? Let's begin! Right now? Alrighty. Good thing I studied. Uh-huh. None of this even makes sense. What's number 5? Miss! What? Luna's copying my answers. Oh boy. Time's almost up. Oh no. What do I do? Just put anything? Yeah. Why didn't I study? Such stress. I can't think. I just can't. Stay calm, people. Wait. The fluff. Let's see. Pink, come on. Hold on a second here. I got it. Everyone, prepare to chill. In stressful situations, you just need a little bit of comfort. And that's exactly what this guy's gonna do. Aww. Some color will bring him to life. Almost. And done. Cut, please. He needs his fluff. That way, he'll be nice and cuddly. Nice. Now we can fill him up. In you go, sweet fluff. Now just close it shut. And he's good to go. Could anyone use a cuddle? Aww. I'm so stressed. So yes? Oh, look at this. That sure is relaxing. Oh, yeah. Oh, it works! Wait, I know this. Time's up, folks. Pencils down. Come on. That was so fast. Let's see. Not bad, Meg. And Luna? Everything's blank. That's not good. Yikes! Heart beating faster! Ugh. Megan? Hey girl, hey! Oh, hi class. It's so gloomy out today. It just makes me wanna cry. Wait, wanna see what I brought? Cute, right? It's actually for you. No way, it's for me? Thank you. You're so welcome. I had a plant like that once, and it died. That's sad, I guess. But wait, my plant's sad too. I think it's thirsty. I know. It can have some of my water. Oh, never mind. Now what? She sure is crying a lot. Just look at that mess. But hey, water's water, right? Those tears are mine, baby. Wait, Luna? Okay, let's do this. Cry all you want, okay? Don't be afraid to let it all out. Yep, that's it. Open those floodgates. That's a lot of tears.
I'm okay.
I'll take that. Should I do it? Drink up, little guy. Oh, he likes it. Yeah!
Oh, I helped.
Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun.